students, today we are going to take the exercise number 13.6. This is question number 5. And this it costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find the inner curved surface area, radius of the base and the capacity of the vessel. It is given in the question that rupees 2000 is used to paint the inner curved surface area. So we will write inner curved surface area, inner curved surface area into cost per meter square. Cost per meter square is equals to per meter square equals to total cost. It is given in the question that we have to paint the inner curved surface area and the cost per meter square is rupees 20 per meter square and the total cost is rupees 2200. So inner curved surface area into cost per meter square is rupees 20, total cost is rupees 2200. So we can find inner curved surface area, that will be equals to 2200 upon 20. So we'll cancel this will become 110. So 110 meter square is the inner curved surface area. Now we will calculate the radius of the base. Now inner curved surface area, we know the formula 2 pi r h is equals to 110 meter square. Now 2 into 22 upon 7 into r into h. It is given in the question, this is 10 meter deep. So 10 is equals to 110. Now let us solve this. So r will be equals to 110 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22 into 10. 2 into 22 into 10. So we'll cancel this 0. Then we'll have 11 ones 11, 11 2s are 22. That is equals to 7 upon 4. And when we solve 7 upon 4, it will be 1.75 meter. So the radius of the base is 1.75 meter. Now let us calculate the capacity of the vessel. Now capacity of vessel is cylindrical. So capacity of cylindrical vessel, that will be equals to the volume of cylinder. Okay. Now the volume of cylinder, we know the formula, that is pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7 and r is, we have calculated 1.75 into 1.75 into 10. Now let us solve this. We'll cancel this 1.75 by this. That will make it 0.25. Now we'll multiply this 22 into 0.25 into 1.75 into 10. That will make it 96.25 meter cube. So the capacity of the vessel is 96.25 meter cube. Now let us solve the question number 6 of exercise 13.6. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? There is a closed cylindrical tank and capacity means volume. So volume is given for 15.4 liter. So volume of cylindrical vessel, that is equals to, that is same as the capacity, and that is given how much, 15.4 liter. 15.4 liter. Now the volume of cylindrical vessel, the formula is pi r square h is equals to 15.4 liter. Now height is given 1 meter and this is given in liters, so we will convert in meter cube by dividing it by 1000. because 1 liter is equals to 1 upon 1000 meter cube. So it becomes 15.4 upon 1000 meter cube. Now let us solve this. Pi 22 upon 7 r square we have to calculate, and h is given, that is 1 meter. So r square will be equals to 15.4 upon 1000. Now we will do cross multiplication. 7 will go up and this 22 will come down. So now this is 15.4 upon 1000 into 7 upon 22. If I remove this point, we will get 1 upon 10. Now 22 sevens are 154. So r square will be equals to 49 upon 10,000. 1000 into 10, 10,000. So r will be equals to under root of 49 upon 10,000. So when we will solve this, this will get 7 upon 100, and when we will solve it further, that will be 0.07 meter. So now we got the radius. Now in this we have to find how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it. Now in this question we got the radius, height is already given, and how many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it. Since it is a closed cylindrical vessel, therefore we have to find the total surface area. So the area of metal sheet required, that will be equals to total surface area of cylinder. And we know the total surface area formula, that is given by the formula 2 pi r h plus r. Now that is 2 into 22 upon 7, r we have calculated 0.07 into this is h plus r. H is 1 meter plus again the radius is 0.07. So we'll cancel this, we'll get 0.01. So 2 into 22 into 0.01 into, when we'll add this, we'll get 1.07, and when we'll multiply this, we'll get the answer, that is 0.4708 meter square. So 0.4708 meter square of metal sheet is required to make this cylindrical vessel. Now let us solve the question number 7th of exercise 13.6, and the question is, a lead pencil consists of a cylindrical wood with a solid graphite filled in the interior. The diameter of the pencil and the graphite is 7 mm and 1 mm respectively. If the length of the pencil is 14 cm, find the volume of the wood and that of the graphite. As you know that in a pencil, in the interior part of this pencil, this part is made up of graphite, and rest of the material is having wood in it. So we have to find the volume of the graphite as well as the volume of the solid graphite. Now in the question it is given that the diameter of the pencil and graphite is 7 mm and 1 mm. So capital R, that is the diameter of the pencil, is 7 mm. So capital R I am showing, that is the radius of the pencil, that is 7 upon 2 mm. But this is in meter, so we will convert in centimeter. 7 upon 2 into 1 upon 10 centimeter, because 1 millimeter is equals to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So let us solve them. This will become 7 upon 20 centimeter. Now we will find the radius of the graphite. Radius of the graphite, that is diameter is 1 millimeter. So the radius will become 1 upon 2 millimeter. Again we will convert into centimeter. 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 10, and that is 1 upon 20 centimeter. So the radius of the graphite is 1 upon 20 centimeter and radius of the pencil is 7 upon 20 centimeter. Now in this question we have to find the volume of wood and that of the graphite. First we will find the volume of wood. First we will find the volume of graphite. So volume of graphite, that is in the shape of cylindrical, so that is given by the formula pi r square h. So that is 22 upon 7 into r. R is 1 upon 20. So 1 upon 20 into 1 upon 20 into h. H is given that the height, the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter. So this is height will be equals to 14 centimeter. So we'll write 14 here. 7 2s are, then again 10. So again 10. This is 11. So 11 into 1 into 1, that will become 11 upon 100, and 11 upon 100 when we will solve it, 0.11 centimeter cube. This is the volume of graphite, and also we have to find the volume of the wood in the pencil. So now this is volume of wood. We will calculate volume of wood, that will be equals to, now you can see here, this is the pencil. So if I take the volume of pencil and subtract this interior part, that is the volume of the graphite, then we will get the volume of wood. So volume of wood will be equals to volume of pencil minus volume of graphite. Volume of graphite we have already calculated, that is 0.11 centimeter cube. Now let us find the volume of pencil. This is given by the formula pi r square h, and volume of graphite we have already calculated, 0.11. So now let us solve this. 22 upon 7 into r, capital R is 7 upon 20. So 7 upon 20 into 7 upon 20 into height is 10. So we'll write 10 minus 0. So sorry, this height is 14. It's not 10, it is 14. So now let us solve this. This will cancel with this. Then we have 2 tenza, and here it is 11. Again 2 tenza, and here it is 7. So now 11 into 7 into 7, that is 539 upon 100 minus 0.11. So let us solve this. 539 upon 100 will make it 5.39 minus 0.11. So let us solve this. 5.39 minus 0.11, that will be equals to 5.28 centimeter cube. So the volume of wood in the pencil is 5.28 centimeter cube. Let us solve the question number 8 of exercise 13.6. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 centimeter. If the bowl is filled with soup to a height of 4 centimeter, how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? Now we have to find the volume of soup for 250 patients. Now first what we will do is, we will find the volume of soup in one bowl. Volume of soup in one bowl will be equals to the volume of cylindrical bowl, and that is filled up to a height of 4 centimeter. So first, what is radius in this? Radius is, diameter is 7 centimeter. So the radius will be 7 upon 2 centimeter, and height is 4 centimeter. So the formula of volume of cylindrical bowl is given by the formula pi r square h, that is 22 upon 7 into r. R is given 7 upon 2. So write 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into the height is up to 4 centimeters. So it is 4. So cancel this, it will cancel 4. This 7 will cancel this. So it is 154 centimeter cube. Now we have to, this is for one patient. This much soup is required for one patient. Now we have to see for how many patients? 250 patients. So the volume of soup required, for 250 patients. So now what we'll do is, we'll multiply this 154 by 250. So 250 into 154 centimeter cube, and that is equals to 38500 centimeter cube. And if you want to convert in liter, we'll divide by 1000, because 1 centimeter cube is equals to 1 upon 1000 liter. So let us convert into liter. 38500 upon 1000. This is in liter. This will cancel this 20. Now 385 upon 10, that will be equals to 38.5 liters. So the 38.5 liter of soup will be required to serve 250 patients.